application of this. Let's say, for the salutation, you have something like, what's up? Okay, what's up? All right? So when students are coming in the classroom, sometimes, you're going to be caught here, and the students are coming in, and then you're greeting them, because that refers to phatic communion. So what you do is, hey, you try to use the target salutation, which is the one you have there, which is what's up, all right? And what's up? And so it's just the greeting, all right? What's up? Hey, good morning. What's up? All right. So the student is supposed to answer, and that's really what it is. It's the order of what you normally do when you encounter somebody. That's phatic communion. Phatic communion is a scenario where you actually prompt conversation, but it doesn't really mean anything. So it's just what's up. All right. So when the students are coming in, the idea is to have an English environment so that at all times they're prompted to speak English. Even if they're in Basic 1. If they're in Basic 1, you got to use vocabulary that it's in Basic 1. All right? You're not going to ask them Structure 4 or Structure 5. But you expect him to know what's in Book 1. All right? So, what's up? Hi, how are you? What's up?
Good, thank you. And you?
What's up? But what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Good?
Nothing.
No.
Nothing, right?
Nothing.
What's up? What's up is basically asking, ¿Qué hubo?
Yeah, in an
Right?
informal way.
What's up? In a very informal way, right?
Yeah.
What's up? Oh, no, nothing. Everything's all right.
Yeah.
How are you doing? That's another greeting, right? Hi, how are you doing?
Fine?
Yeah, you got to work with me.
Okay, sorry.
You got to work with me because
Okay.
you are my student, all right?
Okay.
So we're going to start doing it again from the beginning.
Okay.
It's an application of Brick House I call theoretical, and Cool Teacher I call basically the way to applied conversation or applied jiving. A Cool Teacher will always have a conversational, in the Mayer system, will have a conversational approach. All right, let's say you're my student, all right? So, what's up, Laureano?
Nothing much.
Oh, nothing much. How are you doing?
Very good.
All right, everything's okay. Now, then you go to the applied jiving. You're ready to start conversation because when you walk in, you never tell the student, what did you do yesterday? No. See? The first thing that you do when you encounter or you meet somebody is a greeting. It's a salutation. You cannot start conversation. It's impossible. The
Exactly.
first thing that a person does in a social linguistics environment
Is the salutation.
is the salutation, to greet somebody. So that's why I'm saying that the steps of the lesson are based on a regular meeting order or interaction with a speaker and a listener. All right? The first thing that I do when I walk in, good morning, how are you? What's up? Nothing. Oh, all right, good. Now, number 2, if you are going to strike up a conversation, then you go to the second step, which is the conversation. All right? So the second step is, hey, Laureano, so how did it come about, after you dropped me off at the hotel?
Teacher, I went home because I was really tired.
You were tired.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, okay. Now, we're ready to converse in a courteous manner. I didn't come to you and just started asking you, what did you do last night?
Exactly.
No, I said, hi, how are you, Laureano? What's up? This is our first encounter after we parted ways when you dropped me off. All right? So this is the second step. The third step is the catch up. All right? Hey, what's the catch up? Now, but we're going to do it socially in a normal conversation. I noticed that you were talking to your girlfriend. All right? And I noticed that. Probably she was expecting you to be around and to be there, not to be the whole day with me, right? That probably could have caused a little interference. All right? So how did it go about with your girlfriend?
I was okay. I talked to her and she told me that everything was okay.
All right. So, what is the tutoring? You're okay. You don't have any problems. So, I was trying to get into your personal life, but in a social linguistics manner, because if we are related and we interact, that's what we're going to expect from people. When we go home, people have problems. So we have to solve those problems. All right? You just don't go home and stop here. You go home, and this is home too, you see? So I'm trying to make a parallel. This is home. So the tutoring is that. If you had a problem with your girlfriend last night, you could have told me this morning, I really had a big problem. And then I would advise you, hey, don't get mad. You know, I'm giving you some tutoring, some feedback. Don't get mad because women are like that, you know? All right? So you see the parallel to the social linguistics, or what we talked about here. It's a social phenomenon. Then after that, it's the contents of the lesson. All right? The contents of the lesson. The catch-up is to try to counteract the interference in the English language. Because Spanish or any other language, when you're learning it as a second language, poses an interference from the native tongue. All right? So, if a student is having a problem, that's why we teach phonetics. All right? So, normally students have problems with this sound. The voiceless dental fricative. Repeat, voiceless dental fricative.
Voiceless dental fricative.
Voiceless dental fricative.
Voiceless dental fricative.
Voiceless dental fricative. Okay? Voiceless dental fricative.
Voiceless dental
Voiceless
fricative.
dental fricative. Repeat.
Voiceless dental fricative.
All right. Now, I'm going to give an explanation of the voiceless dental fricative. It's voiceless because in order to produce a sound, you've got to vibrate your vocal cords. The vocal cords, one way or the other, vibrate. They move. All right? And so for a voiceless sound, there is no vibration of the vocal cords. But that doesn't mean that they're not acting or they are activating. And then the next part is the point of articulation. It's a dental sound. Why is it a dental sound, Oriana?
Because it's a combination between your lips, your teeth and your
The
tongue.
upper teeth. Repeat, upper teeth.
Upper teeth.
Upper teeth.
Upper teeth.
Tip of the tongue.
And tip of the tongue.
Tip of the tongue.
Tip of the tongue.
All right, so you put the tip of the tongue on your
on your
teeth.
upper teeth.
On
That's
your upper
right.
teeth. Okay, think. Repeat.
Think.
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 Thanks.
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 3.
3.
13.
13.
All right. All right. So what are you thinking? What are you thinking right now, Lowdown?
I'm thinking about this class.
I'm thinking about this workshop. All right, repeat. I'm thinking about this workshop. Repeat.
I'm thinking about this workshop.
I'm thinking about this workshop.
I'm thinking about this workshop.
So you see that it's a combination of a theoretical plus conversation or applied conversation or competent performance. Why? Because I'm interacting with you. If it's a book one student, he might not be able. You're a advanced conversation student, so you gave me all that information. Well, the dental sound is produced by placing the tip of the tongue or the apex on the upper teeth, and because you're able to actually construct that sentence. But if it's a book one student, all you need from the student is to even use some kinesics. Teacher, tongue, teeth. Tongue, teeth. I mean, you're not going to expect that student from book one to understand that. And fricative, repeat.
Fricative.
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 What is fricative?
Because it's the air when it's coming out. And
when it's coming out of your lungs and it's modified. This fricative refers to the mode of articulation.
Exactly.
This V refers to voice. This D
Point of
refers to
articulation.
the point of articulation.
articulation.
And this F refers
The
to
mode.
then mode of articulation. So
That's right.
voiceless, dental, fricative. Repeat.
Voiceless dental fricative.
Voiceless, dental, fricative.
Voiceless dental fricative.
All right, okay, understand? So fricative refers to forcing the air through a narrow cavity. Where is the narrow cavity formed? It's formed in between the tongue and the teeth. And so you have to force the air through that narrow groove. That's why it's called fricative. All right? So you notice that I jump from one to the next. From what the methodology, it's theoretical, but it's applied. It's applied. It's cognitive, but it's also conscious. It's theoretical, it's cognitive.